The Smart Lock Set BLK is a versatile keyless entry system that combines a deadbolt and handle, offering multiple access options including fingerprint recognition, password, app control, keyfob access, and traditional key entry for ultimate convenience. This smart lock is compatible with Alexa and Google Home Assistant, allowing for seamless integration into your smart home setup and enabling voice-activated unlocking. Its advanced fingerprint sensor uses cutting-edge machine learning technology to improve precision with each use, unlocking the door in under 0.3 seconds, which greatly enhances security and ease of access. Designed for easy installation, the lock can be set up in minutes with just a screwdriver, and its reversible handles make it suitable for both left-handed and right-handed doors. The lock features a robust alloy body, a built-in backlight, and a long-lasting battery, ensuring durability and usability even in low-light conditions. With the TTlock app and an optional Wi-Fi gateway, you can control the lock remotely, generate one-time passcodes, and monitor access logs, providing peace of mind whether you are at home or away.